Okay guys, I just installed these new handlebars I got from Amazon. Very cheap, but it does the job. It matches my gold. I don't know, man. I've been going crazy with these upgrades, customizing my Yume X11, but you know what? That's the fun of it all, you know? It makes you appreciate the things that you have. So if you guys like this, let me know, please, on my channel. Just give me a like, a thumbs up, or whatever. Leave some comments. And if you guys can, if you want to subscribe, please subscribe. Thank you. Appreciate that, man. There it is right there, gold.